Welcome to the Content Organizer, the home of content management within run.events. First things first, run.events differentiates between two different content-related roles, content owners and content team members. Content owners have complete control over the content, including creating and deleting new buckets, creating new and editing existing sessions, and moving sessions between the buckets. Content team members, on the other hand, can only rate existing sessions. Run.events offers 5 different ratings, from the lowest, can't have, to the highest, must have. Content team members can also move sessions between the buckets they are assigned to. Of course, users can be both content owners, which enables them to manage content globally, and content team members, which enables them to rate the content. As you can see on this screen, run.events uses buckets and labels for content organization. Each submitted session can be in only one bucket, but it can have multiple labels assigned to it. When you open the Content Organizer, you see a Kanban-style board with all your buckets represented as lanes, and sessions inside them represented as cards. Buckets can be of the following types: in evaluation, accepted, declined, cancelled, and cancellation requested. You can have multiple buckets of the in evaluation, accepted, and declined types that will help you to organize your content easier and to have tailored communication with the speakers from the sessions from different buckets. For example, you might want to have different acceptance emails for the speakers assigned to sessions from different accepted buckets, or you might want to declare part of your sessions as backup sessions by creating another bucket of in evaluation type and naming it backup sessions. As you can see, there are many use cases for having multiple buckets of the same bucket type. When sessions are submitted by speakers, they are placed by default in the in evaluation bucket. You can then move them between buckets or reorder them within one bucket. Your buckets will display as lanes in the Content Organizer board. You can drag and drop buckets and rearrange them the way you prefer. You can pop out each bucket to a new browser window, which will give you more screen space. You can edit each bucket's name and color. You can apply a label to all sessions from a particular bucket, and you can send an email to all speakers assigned to sessions from that bucket. If you know that you will not be dealing with the sessions from that bucket again, you can close the bucket, which will remove it from the screen. You can also completely delete a bucket. If you do this, you will be prompted to decide what to do with the sessions that have been assigned to it. Buckets of type accepted or declined have an additional feature: inform speakers. This feature will send to the speakers from the sessions in that bucket an official notification of whether their sessions have been accepted or declined. This puts the speakers from that session in the status informed. Speakers who get the official accepted email will once more have to confirm their participation by clicking on a button in the acceptance email. Only when they confirm the session will they be able to put the status confirmed. That session then becomes visible in the official agenda. Within buckets, sessions are represented as cards that include speaker information, session title, session labels, and session ratings. You can modify, add, or remove labels directly on the session card. When you hover a mouse over a session card, you'll see additional session options. If you are a content team member, the session card is also where you will rate the sessions. Click on the thumbs up icon within the session card and select one of the 5 ratings for this session: can't have, not awesome, it's okay, awesome, and must have. We use descriptive ratings rather than numerical ratings because that way it is easier for the content team members to agree upon the meaning of each rating. If you want to know how your fellow content team members have rated a particular session, simply flip the session card to reveal all of the ratings. Within Content Organizer, you also have a toolbar at the top that contains a few additional helpful features. The Flip All Sessions button flips all the session cards in the Content Organizer, so that you can have immediate insights into session ratings. Clicking on the Closed Buckets button allows you to reopen one of the previously closed buckets. You can launch a chat to have a general chat with your fellow content team members. You can also create a new bucket or a new session. A toolbar for searching and filtering sessions is located on the right-hand side. You can filter sessions by the speaker name or the label. You can use one of the pre-configured session filters, or you can filter by your own custom fields when you expand the toolbar. When you click on a specific session, you will get a panel with 3 tabs on the right-hand side. In the Info tab, you can see all of the session details, as well as detailed ratings for that session. In the Edit tab, you can change everything related to that session, including title, abstract, custom fields, and session speakers. Here is also where you can declare session speakers as informed, or confirm the session in their name if they have confirmed the session in some way other than by clicking on the Confirm button in the confirmation email. The last tab here is dedicated to chat about this specific session among the members of the content team.